Hello, yes, to continue the same topic of logarithm, I wanted to show you one more problem, log of 125 by log 5. Now this cannot be written as log 125 minus log 5 because it is not in the same log value. It is quotient of two values of log. So this we simplify like we can write log of 5 whole raised to the power 3 by log of 5. Never write this as log of 125 minus log 5. If you write this, it is wrong. This is not correct. But this one is the right thing. So when you do this, power 3 will come in front. So it will be log of 5 multiplied with 3 and a log 5 in the denominator. Cancel numerator denominator and the answer is 3 only. So this is another aspect of logarithm. Okay. Now we go to some aligned features for the characteristics and the mantissa which I have been talking to you earlier. So what we said in characteristic, let's take one example. So the mantissa value will not change. Characteristic will change for a set of numbers. Characteristic, if I write characteristics for a number called 3846. If I write log of 3846, what is the characteristics for this? There are 4 digits here, so the characteristics will come as 3 point. Then we look into the log table. First we'll see the X column for this 2-digit 38. Then we'll go to look under the column 4 and the big log table part, and we read the common difference of 6. Under the column 6 there will be some number. So the reading of column number 4 will be picked up from the log table, which is something like, I'll show you again here. See here, we have the log table, and in this, the first column is X column. Go to the 38. 38, I will simply underline this, where you understand, and go to read the fourth value. See here, with pencil I have underlined 38 and go to the 38, read under the column 4. For column 4, reading has come down. I have circled it. It is called 5843, and then look at the common difference in the same line. Common difference will be 7. See, the common difference here is 7, right? So when you look at this, you get the value for something. That is what is my value for 3846 is coming as log of 3.846. Then write this as 846 into 10. This also we can write. Instead of writing this, we can also say it is log of this much. If I multiply by 10, that 3 will get inside or no? To multiply with 10 cube, then 3 digit will get inside. Correct? So this can be written as log of 3.846 plus log of 10 cube, or 3 can come inside. Right? This is one way of reading it. We can also say it is, this value is called m plus 3, because this will become 3. Why it is 3? Because 3 will come in front and is log 10 to the base of 10, which is 1. So it is only 3. So m plus 3 is the value for this. Now log of 3.846 will be what? If I say log of 3.846, then what it will be? For this 3, the characteristic will become as 0, right? Or in this shape, if I have to write, I can write 3.846 into 10 to the power 0 log of 3.846 into 10 to the power 0. 10 power 0 means multiplication of 1. Then as per the product rule, it can be broken down as log of 3.846 plus 0 into log of 10 base 10, which is again a 0. So only this much is remaining. So this can be written as this shape. Similarly, we can write 10 square, then 10 power minus 4 and 4 and all that. So if I have to write minus 4 means if I remove this and show you something different. If I have to write log of 0.03846, log of 0.03846, then how I will write this? Point log 0.03 will be log 3.846 into 10 to the power minus 2. This will become as 3.846 into 10 to the power minus 2. Right? And writing as a product rule, or sum of the rule, it will become log of 3.846 minus 2 into 1. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So this is minus 2 and log of something. This was already m. So I say m minus 2. This is m minus 2 and we'll write this as equal to m plus of minus 2. That is what is the meaning of characteristic, which will be in bar shape, and mantissa is always positive. Mantissa is always positive. Similarly, if I have to write 0.30 log of 0.303846, how it will be written? It will be again written in the shape of 3.846 log of 3.846 plus how much I will write now? Plus of 10 to the power 3 and 1, 4 zeros. So 10 to the power minus 4. This becomes log of 3.846 minus 4. And it is nothing but m of plus and minus 4. Here it is what I wanted to tell you, that how the bar on the characteristic value comes. So let's see some problem in the bar shape. Let's find out the value of log fourth root of, find the value of fourth root. This problem is 23.09 and again the fourth root of 23.09 whole cube. These are the two problems. For the first part, what we'll do, the power I write for this one, I write log of 23.09 whole raised power 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 I'll bring down in front and write it as 1 by 4. Correct? Now after writing this, find the value for 23.09, which is 1 by 4, and it is 1 point, because there's two values, two digits before the decimal, I write 1 as the characteristic, so it is 1 point, and the mantissa is 3634. 3634, and when you divide and you get a value of 0.34085, 0.34085, this is the value. Now working for the other part, you see this is the log value. Now Antilog of this will be what? This is the log value. The antilog of 0.34085 is equal to, look at the antilog table, and those 4 digits only will be visible. 3408, 5 will not be visible, and that value is 4 digit called 2193. This will be in the table. So from 2193, I have to put the decimal for the characteristic value of 0. 0 characteristic only comes if the digit before the decimal is one place. So 2.193 is the answer for this. Now what happens for the problem on the second part? Fourth root of a cube. So this can be again written as 1 by 4 into log of 24.09 raised to the power 3. This is what is the simplified form. Now the power 3 will also come in front. So what will happen? It will become 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 of log 24.09. 24.09, if you simplify, or 23.09, let us keep it same. So it will be convenient for us to understand what will happen. If it is 23.09 only, then log value we know 1.3634. So it is 3/4 of 3/4 time of 1.3634, and this value as calculated by me earlier was, when you say 3/4 of that, this value was 1.0225. 1.0225. 1.0225. 2 times 2, 225. Now we'll see the antilog as we did here, because this is all the logarithm coming out. Now antilog of 1.0225 is equal to, we'll see only for 0225 and then put the decimal. 0225 will give me a value called 1053. It is giving me 1053, and as the characteristic is 1, then my decimal will come after 2 places from the left side. So 10.53 will be the answer for this one. This is how we do the problems. Now let us see one bar problem. How we solve a bar problem. It is evaluate problem is fifth root of 3 zeros. Fifth root of 0.123 3.7852. This is the problem. If this is the problem, then it can be written as, let log value is k, so log of k is equal to 1 by 5 is the power will come in front, and then we write log of 0.1237852. Now writing in the shape of characteristics and mantissa. So that will become, how many zeros are there? 3 after decimal, 1 before, so total is 4. We write 4 bar. So it is 4 bar point 7852. We'll find the mantissa, and that mantissa has come as 8950. 8950. Now division of 5 with this. 4 bar cannot be divided by 5. So there is another rule that you have to make it divisible by 5. So what I will do is, I'll add a here and subtract 1 from here. That means I am adding a negative. I have to add a positive also, and that positive will be plus 1.5. 4.8950. In minus 5, if I add this, then the answer will be minus 4.8950. That is what is the trick here. And on this, we will now perform the division. So the division will give me 5 divided in 5 bar will give me 1 bar, plus I can divide this whole number by 5 and that value will come as 3790, right? So it is 0.3790, ultimately it is 1 bar 3790. Now you look at the anti-log of 0.3790. 0.3790 anti-log is 2393. Anti-log of 0.3790 is equal to 2393. Now where will be the decimal point for final answer? If it is 1 bar, then naturally this has to come like 0.0. If the digit before decimal is 0, then only I get a characteristic as 1 bar, and that is how we get a negative value. You have understood how to perform the division in the bar shape. You have to keep this as negative and the other Mantissa part as positive. Here is also Mantissa positive, everything is Mantissa positive. This is a special trick I wanted to discuss with you. Thank you very much for watching and keep subscribing for getting more and more interesting videos, because after the log table we will discuss about the slide rule, which is obsolete nowadays. We have used slide rule for our multiplication, division, finding log values, exponential calculations, and so long as trigonometrical log values, trigonometrical angles like sine, cos, tan, everything which was needed for engineering purpose of calculation, you get it from slide rule. That we'll discuss in one of the next subsequent classes, where the knowledge of log table is also basic factor. Please keep watching and subscribe it. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you very much for your watching this and valuable time. Meet you again.